Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. So it's been long that I posted a video. So the past week was a little bit hectic, so I was not able to post a video. So I have made content although, so I'll be posting it in next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. And today the video is about the WhatsApp multi-link feature that just like Telegram that previously you could, just use WhatsApp on one particular device. Otherwise you always have to do this web.whatsapp.com, and even if the data was off, you was not able to use the WhatsApp. That means your phone's data has to be on all the time if you want to use WhatsApp previously. But now with the multi-link feature, let me show you. So this is WhatsApp, and you have to click on the three dots menu and see link devices. So here when you click on linked devices, you will see this particular window here. So if you just want to for example, previously how you used to link a device, you used to open this web.whatsapp.com and you click on link device, and you just used to scan the QR code, and this will just work fine. But now if I do with this method, the WhatsApp will only work when, for example, I'll show you. Now if I scan this WhatsApp will be loaded on this window. As soon as I turn the data off, it will say keep your phone connected, right? So when I reload the device here, as you can see, this will not get loaded. The WhatsApp will not get loaded. It will say retrying on the screen. But with the new multi-device feature, you can use WhatsApp on 4 devices concurrently without having internet on your phone. That means you can standalone use your laptop as your WhatsApp device, even if you don't have your phone with you, or if you don't have internet in your phone. As you can see, it says trying to reach phone. So as soon as I turn the data on, it will automatically turn on the WhatsApp. See, the WhatsApp got turned on here, like this is working now. But this is not what we're gonna do today. So I'll just log this out. So this thing is logged out, as you can see. Now I will show you the multi-device feature. So by the way, this feature is only in beta, so I somehow got the access to this beta, and this has been through the WhatsApp only that few users are getting this beta update. And as you can see in the multi-device beta, it says that after your devices are linked, your phone will no longer need to stay online. That means even if you use your WhatsApp in up to 4 additional devices, that they will work without you using your phone. And even if the internet is not working, you can do that. So I'll be showing you that demo here as well, right? So number one thing that I'm going to do is here I'll click on join beta. So as soon as I click on join beta, so it will say you have joined the beta. And now if I go back, and here if I link a device, use mobile data, I'll just configure it, and if I scan it here, now the similar process that we did here, it will be a little okay. I'll just need to scan this again. Yeah, now this time it says connecting here. Previously it was not showing that. Now it's organizing messages end to end, and now we see a logout button here already. So I'll show you this thing. Now what I'll do is I will just turn off the data after the messages are organized properly. I will turn off this, I will turn off the data of the phone, and you will see the WhatsApp is still working here. So as you can see here that we have successfully, as you can see, it's been logged in already. And now here, as you can see it, I'll just take the camera a little bit closer. It says now send and receive messages without connecting your phone. Use WhatsApp up to 4 devices at the same time. So this was something that WhatsApp was previously talking for a little bit of time, but this feature was not out yet for public. So it's now out. Do check your update your WhatsApp and click on these 3 dots and check if the link devices is here or not. As you can see, now I'll show you this on my other device as well, that we can even do that. So this is my tablet here. So I'll simply link a device, and I'll again authenticate it, and I'll again scan the QR code this time, and as you can see, it's loading on the screen as well. Okay, I think it did not, so I'll just do it again. This might take a little bit of time, and as you can see, it's also showing connecting here, right? So just a second, I'll just turn off the dark mode if it's on. It's already fine here, so I'll see what the problem is. So as you can see, this is getting started, organizing messages end-to-end encrypted, and again we can see, so we have WhatsApp on this device, WhatsApp on this device on the phone, and WhatsApp on this what do we call it, on the laptop. Even if I turn off the data now, as you can see the data is turned off, even if I reload this page will still stay here. Can you see? So this is how the new WhatsApp is now. Even on the other phone the WhatsApp was still on and there was no issues in WhatsApp working without the data turned on. Even if I do this to the phone, this WhatsApp will still be working. And that's how the new WhatsApp multi-device feature is. To check it out and see if your device is having this feature. And this feature was already available in Telegram also, but no, this was not in the other what do we call it, in the other apps yet. So this is a very great initiative from WhatsApp. Now you don't need your phone anymore. Although this is a security issue, for example, even if you're somehow lose your laptop or something, you can still someone can access your chats and other stuff. Although you can just with the tap of a button you can log it out. Okay, the data is turned off, so let me just turn it on. So on the tap of a button you can log it out from here. As you can see, it will get logged out from the laptop. It's done. And similarly for the other one that I used, so it is logged out from the tablet as well. It says logging out. So that's it. Although you have all the control of the security. So that's all for this video, and this is how the WhatsApp multi-link feature works. And definitely you need to join the beta that is here. I have already joined, and I can even leave it if in case I don't want it. So that's how it works. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and do subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, and I'll be posting a lot of content, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.